if we have a layer that has a high color contrast, like say trees against a blue sky, we've got green against blue. We can key those colors out very quickly. And this is a technique that's also called the blend if, because that's the actual feature that we're using. I call it dynamic masking because it allows us to blend both the layer that we're looking at as well as the layers underneath based on whatever the brightness or color values are. And it does this non-destructively, which means that we can very quickly go through. We can remove, say, the blue sky from some trees. We can then test those trees out in our composition in our artwork. And then, if we want to go back and refine that, we can do that without having to replace the image again. So it's somewhere that I often start here when I see an image that has that high color contrast. I'll just start immediately by just dynamically masking the stuff that I don't want, and then I'll start to throw things together to figure out the composition, and I go back to proper masking later.